CAXA AI Design Solution helps you get a design and a quotation in just 3 minutes, redefining the new standard of full-service design solutions. While the sales team talks to customers, designers create the plans at the same time. No waiting or delays. The proposal is delivered on the very same day as the consultation. A massive library of premium projects that is continuously updated and covers all hot-pick styles. One single design can adapt to multiple layouts, home spaces, and different customer profiles. With one click, you can reuse a design to expand orders efficiently and reduce design difficulty. It also provides real cases from Oppein headquarters and global dealers. CAXA AI features an auto layout function powered by the Blackboard system to accurately capture client needs. Simple operation with just one click generates 3 floor plan options with matching style reference. Available cabinet combinations help designers easily deliver 3 layout solutions with different styles for each client. With parametric ceiling design, AI layout, AI inspiration library, and AI smart matching, no lighting setup is required. The design rendered instantly. End-to-end AI-powered design accelerates high-quality output, including quotations and construction drawings. Instant AI-generated PowerPoint slides save your time in preparation. AI-generated custom cabinets require no secondary modeling. They precisely match different production processes and is ready for direct order placement, seamlessly connecting every step from design to production. CAXA integrates the entire AI design workflow that combines hard and soft furnishing customization, including lifestyle preferences to make comprehensive design solutions. Available design libraries include the design platform, headquarter, and dealers' design plans for tailoring packages for different customers. CAXA AI Solution revolutionizes the entire sales workflow. Effortless and efficient. Let AI power your design. Let efficiency drive your business growth.